What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco Raptor. Today we're going to be doing something quick, simple, and cheap. We're going to be swapping out the lug nuts. Alright guys, so rather than actually swapping out the lug nuts, we're just going to be adding these gloss black lug caps like I had on my last Bronco. So you can see, obviously we have the charcoal beadlock rings, we have the matte black wheels, the black Bronco, but it still has the chrome factory lug nuts. So rather than going through all the bullshit of taking off the factory lug nuts and then putting on gloss black ones that chip as soon as you put them on and then start rusting and look like junk, we're just going to try putting these caps on that are $5 a pack. Costs us maybe 10 bucks, and then we'll have enough to cover all the lug nuts, including the lug nuts on the 5th spare tire on the back, to get rid of the chrome look. So we're going to put them on real quick, and you guys let me know, does it look better with the factory OEM chrome, or does it look better with the caps? So let's check it out.
Feelings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing.
All right, guys, so that's it. There you have it. For $8 to $10, you have black looking lug nuts. If one of them happens to fall off, which I didn't have any issues with the last ones on the back, I have a bunch of spares now. You just replace them. They won't rust, they won't chip, they won't flake, they don't look poor after you just put them on. So you guys let me know what you think. And if for whatever reason I don't like them or don't want them anymore, you just pull them right off. It does come with a tool, but you can actually just pull them right off with your hands. And you have a bunch of spares. So let me know what you guys think, if you like it better with the black or the chrome, and what you think about these caps overall. I actually think they look pretty good, so drop your comments below. As always, in the description, I'll put the link of the caps that I used, and let me know what you guys think.
Well, this is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage, I gotta go.